Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Irfan and today I'll be talking about emerging treatments for Parkinson's disease. So the central idea of this topic is to give you an interesting insight on the future of treatment for the Parkinson's disease. So without further ado, let's begin. As you may have known, Parkinson's disease is a progressive neurological disorder that disrupts your motor functions and makes your movement more involuntary like this. It is first discovered by James Parkinson in 1870, and pathophysiology shows the absence of dopaminergic neurons in the substantia nigra, which is a part of your brain, and the dopamines are important for your voluntary control and your behavior. It is also the second most common degenerative neurological disorder after Alzheimer's disease. Statistics have shown that there is 9.4 million recorded Parkinson's disease in 2020, and it's shown that in this graph China is leading with 2.7 million. In Malaysia, it is estimated to have 120,000 Parkinson's disease patients by 2040. So for now, we have current treatments, which is levodopa, which is the precursor to dopamine, and it works by crossing the blood-brain barrier, which is a protection of your brain, and convert itself to dopamine to provide more of these dopamines. And the other is deep brain stimulation, which is a neurological procedure that uses a neurostimulator to produce an electric signal, and this improves your neural function and motor complications. So now we have two emerging treatments: stem cell transplantation and gene therapy. So for stem cell transplantation, these cells can develop into any cell and can self-renew, meaning that it can provide renewable dopamine-producing cells. As reported by Fan et al., the sonic hedgehog gene and the fibroblast growth factor 8 are important for the stem cell to differentiate into these dopaminergic neurons as mentioned before. And the study by Kirkby et al. Leads to these cobalt midbrain cells, which leads to high dopamine yield, which is very good for your brain. And now we're here for gene therapy. It aims to treat diseases by modifying the population of cells by increasing or reducing gene expression. And this is delivered by using viral vectors engineered by virus. So they just inject a viral virus with the genes inside you. Don't worry, it's not dangerous. AADC, an enzyme that converts levodopa to dopamine, is used to treat PD, and the virus used is the adeno-associated virus. So a new one is being developed called VYAADC, which delivers the DDD gene responsible for the AADC gene manufacture. And results has been promising as off-period, meaning that the time where the patients are having involuntary control is reduced by average 2.2 hours. As you can see, science is undergoing evolution, and it's a very wonderful thing to see. And by the future, we may see a cure for everything. And for that, thank you for watching.